Hi, fam. Greetings to you all. This Hope, aka Two Strings Baba, or Two Strings, anyone. Okay, a quick one here. I want to run a breakdown of an exercise called spider exercise, and I think it was a request from one of my students for me to run a quick breakdown of the lesson for him, and I also love to share it here on YouTube, and I believe it will be, somehow useful to bass players around. Actually, it's a regular left hand exercise, and okay, let me just demonstrate. Go straight to the point. Okay, so now though it's not a really a music or a scale like stuff kind of, but I will want to make it simple to the a beginner level. So now let's see it as being played under a C major scale. You can see it clearly back. Okay, now in my own way, I will now want to see this as the mi, fa, sol, la, do, si, do. Okay, now the first part goes mi, ti, and it's being played with your index and your ring finger, which is the second part is that's fa, do. The third part is being played with your ring finger and index, which is, and the last part so do. So note wise, I will call this mi, ti, fa, do, fi, la, so, do. Again, mi, ti, fa, do, fi, la, so, do. So the whole exercise is being played like. Speed it up. Last time, very slow and simple. Mi, ti, fa, do, fi, la, so, do. So most times, maybe in a groove, you hear a kind of rift or some kind of movement like. Okay, let me just play a simple groove. So thank you guys. I believe from few explanation I've made based on that exercise called spider exercise, it will be useful to maybe a particular bass player out there. Thank you very much and have fun. Thank you.